Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys a nighttime routine on how I will be doing my twist out or twist in for the night. So basically the things that you will need is a clip, a ponytail, your products that you will use. I use a leave-in and a gel, and then a spray bottle. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. So I'm going to put the back away. The only part that I retwist is my heat damage area, which is in the front area. So you guys will see me take my clip the side to the end. You guys will see me do the lock method. I will wet it. I'll put my leave in. I'll put an oil, and then I'll put a cream, and then you guys will see me twist up the hair. Stay tuned and enjoy the time lapse. So now that the front is done twisting up, you guys will see me go in and I will just twist out any like frizzy parts that needs to be redefined. I do not put extra product on there because I already have product from the night before and I do not want too much buildup. And then you guys will see me coil the end to make sure that it has its coil by tomorrow. Okay, so the last step after I twist my hair, I'm just going in with my wild growth oil. I'm just going on my scalp with this one just to make sure that my hair is growing, and I'm massaging it at nighttime to promote that hair growth. All right, so my last step, I already have my scarf. I'm going to go in with my loose ponytail and I'm just going to put the back up, and then you guys will see me slowly put the bangs up, just one section at a time. Okay, look, you guys will see me put in one section at a time, and then you guys will see me take my scarf, flip my head over, tie my hair, and then I'll take the ponytail out so to make sure that it doesn't leave a dent within my twist. Alright y'all, good morning. So as you guys can see, I am starting off by taking my scarf off. I'm going to put the oil in my hand, and that's just going to allow my hair not to be frizzy. And then I'm just going to shape the hair the way that I want it to fall in my face. You don't need too much oil, just put like a dime or nickel size, rub it together, and then just start, you know, molding the hair, and then you guys will start taking the twist out your hair as you guys see me doing. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done with taking my twist out, I'm just going in with my She Is Bomb edge control, and I'm just making sure that my little design that I had, it was like a swoop up that I had. I'm just going to go ahead and just like twist it up to give it a fresh look, and then I'm going to go in with a toothbrush and just brush everything together so it could have that clean look. After I do that, I'll pin everything up to the back, and then I'll redo that twist that you guys see hanging by my ear, and that is it for this style. So stay tuned to see what else I do with this style. Alright, so now that I'm done styling the hair, I'm trying to lay it the way that I want the hair to lay. You guys will see me go in with some scissors, and I'm snipping my heat damage. I do not like the way it looks with this twist out because it stands out, so you guys see me just chopping it up, and that's it. Alright y'all, so that is my video. Thank y'all so much for watching it. I will give you guys a 360 so you guys see how it turns out. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz, and drop down in the description box and let me know what else you guys would like to see. I will see y'all later.